Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link your GoDaddy website to your Facebook business page. This connection is incredibly useful as it allows you to manage your social media presence directly from your GoDaddy dashboard, streamlining your marketing efforts and making it easier to share content across platforms. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll need to navigate to your web browser and head over to GoDaddy.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the login area where you need to type in your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your GoDaddy dashboard, which is essentially the control center for all your GoDaddy services and features. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your account. What you're looking for is the marketing option, so go ahead and click on it. This section houses all the tools you need to promote and grow your online presence. Once you click on marketing, the menu will expand to reveal additional options underneath it. This is where GoDaddy organizes all its marketing-related features, from email campaigns to social media management. From this expanded menu, you need to click on Social. This option is specifically designed to help you connect and manage your social media accounts directly through GoDaddy, saving you time and keeping everything centralized in one place. After clicking on Social, you'll be taken to the social media management page. Now, look at the right side part of your screen, where you'll see various social media platform options available for integration. Among these options, you'll notice the Facebook icon or option. Click on Connect next to Facebook to initiate the linking process. This is the crucial step that will establish the connection between your GoDaddy website and your Facebook business page. A small window will appear on your screen presenting you with the benefits of adding this connection between these platforms. This pop-up is designed to inform you about what features you'll gain access to once the connection is established, such as seamless posting and better integration between your website and social media. After reviewing this information, click on Connect to Facebook to proceed. At this point, a small tab will open asking you to log in to your Facebook account. Enter your Facebook credentials here to authorize the connection. This login step ensures that GoDaddy has permission to access and manage your Facebook business page on your behalf. Once you've successfully logged in and authorized the connection, GoDaddy will establish the link between your website and your Facebook business page. You'll now be able to manage your Facebook content, posts, and engagement directly from your GoDaddy dashboard, making your marketing workflow much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.